So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money, there is a new app called Survey Junkie. I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's 100% free. You actually make money. You can cash out for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, or just get money sent directly to your PayPal account, simply for filling out surveys. If you're bored, have some extra time, and you want to pay for your gas or for your groceries. If you want some money, check out Survey Junkie. It's really cool, really easy. It's very they've been around for like 10 years. I know it said it's new, but sorry, I misspoke. They've been around for 10 years. They're awesome. Go check them out. Use my link in the description down below. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So I know these are crazy times. There's a lot going on, but we're gonna get through it together. We are navigating unemployment benefits, and there's a huge, absolutely huge new unemployment website that is launched specifically for Uber, Lyft, gig workers, and self-employed people. So if you fall into one of those categories, whether you drive for Uber, whether you drive for Lyft, whether you do Instacart, whether you're a self-employed, I don't know, whether you sell handbags or bean bags, I don't know, whether you do makeup or if you do like Instacart or DoorDash, Uber Eats, whatever the case is, if you're a self-employed person, actor, model, all those things count. Yes. If you don't have a typical like, oh, I work at McDonald's and I work 9 to 5, or if you're not, oh, I work at Nike, or I don't know. Those people are separate. Those people are losers. No, I'm just kidding. Screw the 9 to 5 people. No, I'm just kidding. Those guys are cool too, don't get me wrong. I'm not one of them. I'm a self-employed person too. But 9 to 5 people, they have their own way of filing unemployment. Their company pays for it, and it's really easy for them. For gig workers and self-employed, it's a little bit of a different story. And what do I mean by that? Well, usually we can't get unemployment benefits, literally zero. Since the dawn of time, since unemployment benefits were even a thing, they've always been for people who got laid off from their company, from their job, from their W-2. But us 1099ers, they're like, well, you got laid off, or I don't know, whatever, you got deactivated from Uber, good luck. No, you're not getting unemployment benefits. But now, since this whole coronavirus thing is going on, they know that it affects us the most. Gig workers, self-employed people. Why? Because, well, how are we supposed to go out and do Uber when everyone's at a stay-at-home order and Uber's literally running ads to tell people to stay at home? Anyways, here I'm gonna get into the new website and show you guys the breaking news. I know you guys think I ramble on a little bit too much, so I'm gonna get straight to the point. You know, no BS, no rambling. Let's get right to it. I got my iced coffee. This is my 45-cent iced coffee because I get cold brew. And sorry, Graham Stephan, if you're watching this, but yeah, this costs a little bit more. This is a little bit nicer of a coffee. Sorry. Here we go. I'm gonna click on my notes tab in 3, 2, 1, click. Notes. Here we go. New videos. Breaking. New unemployment website launched for Uber, Lyft, gig workers, self-employed. Let's check it out, guys. Here we go, labor.ca.gov. This is on the California government website, so you know it is legit, guys. By the way, if you're not in California, don't worry. This still applies to you. If you're in Idaho or Nebraska, and you're like, well, my tiny little state hasn't done jack for my state. Well, California is a little bit ahead of the curve, so I'm sure your state will follow. So still pay attention, because you want to know what the states who are up to date, up to speed, you know, what's gonna happen with your state, who's a little bit probably lagging behind a little bit. Here we go. Pandemic, maybe your state is already set up. You know, all states are different. As you guys might know, or actually, most of you guys don't know this, because all you guys comment on my videos saying, where the heck is the link to apply? And I'm like, bruh, there are 50 different websites to apply. I can't just throw up a link and be like, here, go apply here, and here, follow these instructions. It's like, your unemployment application's gonna be different from every single, well, if there's 50 different unemployment applications and they all ask different questions, they're not the same thing. So you gotta go to your state website. This is California's website, so whatever your state website is, go check that one and see if they have this. But here we go. Pandemic Unemployment Assistance Program. Cheers to that beautiful word, PUA, PUA. I love the 3 asterisks, new asterisks, like 6 asterisks. Thank you, I didn't know it was new, but now that you put the asterisks, now I know, California. Thank you for doing that. I wonder who has an idea. What is their, like, let's just put a bunch of asterisks up top so they know it's legit, because that doesn't look scammy at all. Asterisk looks a little bit scammy, but it's on the government website. They're probably just a little bit older and they don't really, you know, understand. Okay, here we go. This is a newly available emergency unemployment assistance program through the Federal CARES Act. So yeah, guys, technically, as a gig worker, you're not getting unemployment insurance. That's for the 9-to-5 people. What you are getting, though, is pandemic unemployment assistance. So you're still getting unemployment benefits, I guess, but it's through the CARES Act, which is in the US stimulus bill. If that doesn't make sense, no worries, but this is, you know, just type in PUA CARES Act for gig workers. Provides assistance for unemployed or partially employed individuals who are not eligible for regular unemployment insurance and who are unable to or unavailable to work due to COVID-19 related circumstances. Look at this. The Employment Development Department, EDD, will be accepting online applications for this program beginning on Tuesday, April 28th. Check back on this page for the latest updates. So, woo! California, baby, you're ready to get our unemployment applications for Uber and Lyft drivers on April 28th. Yes, finally, guys. Finally, we can finally get our unemployment applications in, boy. I'm sorry, but I'm just freaking stoked. Because when did the lockdown start? February 15th? March 15th? It's been a month and a half, guys, and we're finally here. Shout out to Vlad, he's texting me. That's awesome, right? And guys, look at that right here. Partially unemployed. Can you guys see that? Partially unemployed. So even if you are still working gig apps, they're saying partially unemployed. So let's say you were a full-time Uber driver, typical Uber driver driving 80 hours a week to make $1,000 a week, because let's face it, that's what we have to drive to make $1,000 a week. And now you're only driving, you know, now you're only doing Instacart 20 hours a week. You're partially unemployed, right? That's how it works, guys. Or if you're a makeup artist and you do Uber and Lyft on the side, but your makeup artistry, you know, is on hold or pause right now. You guys know your own situation. You know, you can see if you qualify. But here we go, covered individuals. Here are the kind of, and here's the amount, guys, too. Covered individuals, independent contractors or self-employed, individuals without sufficient work history, individuals who have exhausted their regular and any extended UI benefits. So if that means, you know, you did have a job, like a 9-to-5, but you used all that up, then yeah. Must self-certify to be able and available to work except are unemployed due to COVID-19 related reasons. So yeah, you have to be unavailable to work. I mean, if you, let's say, I don't know, you're a self-employed YouTuber, right? Like me, I cannot technically apply because, like, I'm still working, you know what I mean? So if you stop working Uber to, you know, stay safe or not to get sick, that's a COVID-19 related reason. Does that make sense to you guys? There's a difference there. Like, yes, I'm staying at home, me personally, but you know, we make videos on YouTube, so yeah, ad revenue is definitely, well, maybe not ad revenue, but other forms of revenue are definitely down, like brand deals and stuff. But that's, I mean, I guess that is COVID-19 related. I don't know, it's tricky, but like for most gig workers, that'll be the reason. But here we go. Minimum weekly benefit amount of $167. So at least $167, but weekly amount may be higher and equal the amount provided under regular UI, depending on proof or of prior earnings, plus $600 for weeks between March 29th, 2020 to July 25. So yeah, I guess now it sounds like gosh, this website sucks. Dude, it can't even go on mobile. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that. I don't know, we're looking sideways now. If it's sideways, I'm sorry, but whatever. You might have to tilt your head for this one. Benefits can be retroactive to weeks starting on or after February 2nd, guys. Woo! If you can date back that your earnings dropped on February or around that time, they're gonna retroactively, you know, give you money if you qualify, obviously. Depending on your last day of work due to COVID-19 and regardless of when you submitted your claim application, the effective date of your claim will begin the Sunday of the week when you last worked and became unemployed due to reasons directly related to COVID-19. Up to 39 weeks, minus any weeks of regular UI and certain extended benefits last week. Guys, I know like this has been taking a while, but like the fact that they're retroactively applying it, it's like, it's coming. It's like, we're so close. Like in a week, we're gonna be making videos and we're not gonna be like, when is unemployment application coming? Cause like, it's here already, you know? Under the CARES Act of 2020, the $600 additional benefits are available through 7/31. That's almost August 1st. What's that? June, July, August. So July 31st. Dang-a-ring. And then they got all these questions here. I'm not gonna go through all of them. You guys can look through the questions yourself. Or if you're, you know, in Nebraska or New York or whatever, you can go through your frequently asked questions. And honestly, this is great. This is really awesome. They have the update here. So anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Definitely check out your state, and honestly, let's get those applications in. Let's try to flood the unemployment offices with all of our gig working applications starting on April 28th. So get up bright and early. Set your alarms, guys. Set your alarms bright and early for April 28th. Be the first one. Try to be the first or second or third person to get your unemployment applications. So let's get rich, baby! And sign up for Survey Junkie down below using my link in the description. Start making money there too. All right, guys. Talk to y'all soon. Have a good day, guys. Bye.